I connect with these vendors through pop-ups and markets.
Perfect.
So we went together and then we kind of start talking. They're all female, local, small businesses.
Perfect.
We have the same passion. They specialize in that thing. So let's do it together because small business can't survive alone.
Of course.
So we have to
support each other. Yes. One of my favorite things to do is to highlight businesses. And today I'm sitting down with one of my favorite ones in Bothell, Ohh Macarons. And I'm sitting down with the owner, Tanantha. And I wanted to kind of show you guys what this beautiful little store offers and how good their macaroons are. I would love to know, and I think a lot of us want to know, like, how did you start this cute little shop with the most delicious macaroons that Bothell has?
We have to bring way back 5 years ago.
Okay.
It's like COVID time. So a lot of people find a new passion. And that's when I found my new passion as well. So we started baking from home for almost 2 years.
Okay.
We got good feedback from family and friends, and then it grows. And then we moved to commercial kitchen for 2 years. And then we knew that, okay, we're ready to have our own space to offer more varieties and classes and experience to people. Our specialty is the character macarons. So we do in different characters, different shape. As you see here, this is a K-pop demon hunter, derpy.
Oh, cute.
So that's our specialty. And we do macaron cake, a bigger size of the macaron, and we customize the topper. Instead of the cake, you get the big size macarons.
That looks, I mean, it sounds amazing. Perfect spot. The store is adorable, and the macaroons are like amazing. How cute are they, huh?
Yeah, I also live in Bothell.
Amazing,
So
okay.
Bothell is a big part of my life and our family. The kids go to school in Bothell.
Love it.
And yeah, we work close by. A lot of friends and family are here. That's why I know if I want a store, I want to have one in Bothell.
Absolutely. I think because people already know you from the community that you serve, right? And then the fact that you're here and you're recognizable, right? So it's wonderful. Tell us, what is your favorite flavor to make?
Ooh, that's hard.
Because you have a grand variety here.
Our signature, I would go by that, the mango sticky rice.
Okay.
So because I'm from Thailand, so I want to show or highlight my root and heritage.
That is so beautiful.
Flavor.
Okay.
So we come up with the mango sticky rice flavor. So the outside we incorporate sticky rice, the real sticky rice into the buttercream, coconut pandan, and then we made mango buttercream and mango jam ourselves.
You guys have to try this. Oh my gosh.
Like, mango sticky rice in one bite in the macaron form.
Oh, amazing. Now, have you been baking like your whole life, or this was just
I love to cook.
Okay. But
I love to cook people baking. And then the COVID hit. Okay, you explore new skill, new passion. And then, how hard could it be with macarons?
I heard it's really hard to make those.
Yeah, when you look at ingredients, they're not many. When you start making, okay, now I know why it's pricey. Now I know,
But it's worth every penny.
Yeah. So when we offer classes, and one of the things that people want to know is to appreciate the macarons because it's time consuming and then it takes some skill, and then people are like, oh yeah, now I
understand why the cost, and because it's not only the ingredients, it's the time that it takes to make it, right? So
and we hand plate everything.
Okay. Tell me, from the moment that you decide to, create a macaroon, how long does the process take to cook and create this beautiful pastry?
I would say over an hour, because after you pie, you have to let it rest. And then you bake, you have to let it cool, and then you make the filling and you fill it, you have to let it mature. So it could go, maturity, 24 hours maturity.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And it tastes better when it's overnight. So people think fresh macaron tastes better. No, you have to let it mature in the fridge overnight, and then it tastes so much better.
And how long is the shelf life of a macaron?
It's actually a week.
Okay. Do they have to be refrigerated?
For us, I'm not sure about other bakeries, but for us, because we use real ingredients, and it tastes better when it's slightly chilled.
Okay.
So we refrigerate ours.
Oh, very nice. Do your kids help you out with the macarons? I've seen your kiddos on.
One or two.
Yeah.
Okay, stay away from the kitchen.
You're going to make more of a mess than actually help.
Only taste.
Okay. That's amazing. They're like the tasters. Yeah, they're like, I approve this, I don't approve that.
Yeah.
What are your kids' favorite macaroons to eat?
The older one, he loves fruit, so strawberry is his favorite.
Okay.
The little one, he just found a new flavor he likes because of his friend. He brought his friend here. Pandan matcha.
Oh, see, I need to know all these flavors to try.
Yes.
Okay. So your store is not only macaroons. What else do you have here? I see that beautiful coffee machine.
Yeah, we offer
espresso.
We ultimate goal is to provide a good experience when people are here. So other than macarons, we have cookies, we have coffee and tea, ice cream sandwiches, baking classes.
Oh my
and
gosh.
we have a party room in the back.
I want to see this party room. So what kind of things do you host in the party room?
We rent out a room.
Okay.
To people. People usually do kids' birthday, bridal shower, baby shower.
Amazing.
And we also use a room for makers and bakers and they want to do workshop here.
Oh.
So they can use the space and then
Fantastic.
just come here.
Okay. Janantha, thank you so much for having us. I really appreciate it. Your store is adorable. I love your macarons. If you are ever in Bothell, this is a must place to stop by and not only get a macaron, but also a cup of coffee. So